Hey guys, we're doing a tour of the Explorer of the Seas. We're on deck 3. I won't do deck 2 because deck 2 is just staterooms, and then the front is covered. But in the back, after the ship, on deck 3, 4, and 5 are the dining rooms for the main dining. But on deck 3, if you go over, we have the Focus, which is the photo center, and we have Studio B, which is the ice rink. Let's go up. Deck 4 aft is the Sapphire. On deck 4, we have the Riveters, we have the Tavern, we have the Park West, and of course the casino. On deck 2 and 3, you cannot go from the aft forward or forward aft because the ship is too narrow and there's no passages. So you have to go to at least deck 4. And that's where we're going to go now, is to go deck 4. Okay, deck 4. We have the dining room over there, the banks, we have the R bar, we have the guest services, we have shore excursion, and then of course we have the Royal Promenade, which is, this ship is very similar to the Freedom class. They have all the same components located in very similar areas, except for this ship is narrower, shorter, lighter, whatever you want to call it, just smaller. And here we go, we have all the shops. We'll just take a quick look through here as we come through. Okay, we have another bar, the Crown and Kettle, which I think they're making a change over to. And then we have the Promenade Cafe, get your specialty coffee, and of course breakfast items. This is very cute. And pizza. Good morning. And this is set up pretty nicely. It almost looks like a kind of a French setup in here for, and then a luxury. And then we're going to the front of the ship. Deck 5 aft is the next cruise. I know it's dark, guys, because and again there is the promenade. Let's go up to the next one. Aft in the center is the library, nice place to play cards or just hang out, and of course on either side there are rooms. Okay, Caribbean Online on deck 8, there's computers and a view down to the library right over there if you want to get online. Deck 10, it's just a overlook. Deck 9 was the concierge lounge, and you need something to get in, but great artwork. And we'll keep going. Deck 11, we have the Windjammer. Okay guys, they just cleaned, I'm not going there. Deck 12, we have the Adventure Ocean, this is the game room. We have some kid stuff. We have this really cool, display. And of course, deck 11 and 12 leads you out into the pool area, and the top 10 leads you out to the Perfect Storm, the sports deck, the courts, and what have you like that. And you can walk to the outside as well. And deck 14 has the Zooming. This is the lounge. There's the Crown Lounge, restrooms, and the staircase over there takes you up to the chapel. Okay, that's it. Right there. Let's go down. Alright, deck 11, restroom by the Windjammer is very interesting because it has a window that is top to bottom that you can see right outside what's going on, and it's early in the morning. But otherwise, this takes you right out to the pool deck. Let's go back out to the pool deck. This is the pool deck. Hot tubs, swimming pools, and again, super early in the morning. It also has the big screen for movie night right there. There it is. Let's keep walking in. Of course, the two bars. It's the solarium on the front of the ship, which is adults only. Alright. Kind of a Roman Egyptian theme. But it's still open to the outside. It's not temperature controlled, but it's nice. There she is. Showers. And then now, let's go look at what the front of the ship has. Okay. Oh, this one on deck 14 has a unique feature in that you can actually see, you know, right here. If you go out this way, you can see on this deck, you can see the captain and the pilot of the ship. So we'll take a look at that in a second. When you walk around the front, and that's it. There is the working area, but these screens will be up, and you can actually see into the area there. It says no videoing, no tapping, but that screen goes up and down, so you can actually see the pilot. You know, you can see what they're doing when it's open for you to view. Okay, it's one of the few ships that you get to see that in. Okay, 11 forward, rooms on both sides, just a place for you to sit. And of course, it's the holidays. On deck 11 was a fitness area, and if you look outside the spa fitness area, there is only rooms in the forward. So we're on the area, so let's go down to where we can actually see something in the forward. Okay, here we go. We're on deck 5, and of course is the Star Lounge. It's a very large lounge. Trivia, other activities in here, and it will also be the waiting area for disembarkation. We're on deck 4. This is we have side entries to the Royal Palace Theater. We also have the Schooner Bar, the Giovanni's, and of course the other entry. Those are staterooms in the middle, and that is the theater down there on deck 2. No, I take that back. Deck 3 is the entrance to the theater, and again, rooms on both sides, rooms in the back, and then of course the conference center back there. And of course we have the loyalty desk in the front of the vessel, and then the conference center. And guys, that's about it for the ship. Okay, so we've covered all of it. We're on deck 2 now. You know, the gangway was on deck 1, and that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye now.